I will teach you possessive time. Possessive time means my, your, his, my father's. Very easy one. It's like apostrophe S in English. In Korean, it's very easy. You just need to 의. That's why your pronunciation 의 is very important. You need to know how to pronounce it well. For example, 저, right? I. My is 저의. And there's a short form, which is called 제. Of course, between 저의 and 제 is much more common. Koreans are lazy. They want to use anything short. Even long sentence, they want to make it short. 당신의, 그녀의, you just need to adding 의 at the back of it. So how do you say, my car is BMW. 제 차는 BMW예요. My car is BMW. How do you say, my dad is a doctor. 제 아빠는 아버지는 의사예요. 제 아빠는 의사예요. How do you say name? 이름. 이름 is name. So how do you say my name is? 제 이름은 민지예요. How to say my dad is your dad? How to say your? 당신의, right? 제 아빠는 당신의 아빠예요. How do you say my money is your money? Money is 돈. 제 돈은 당신의 돈이에요. Then your money is my money. 당신의 돈은 제 돈이에요. How do you say my car is my father's car? 제 차는 제 아빠의 차예요. 제 차는 제 아빠의 차예요. Okay? So just write it up. This is what you said.